Stop by and take a look at the 2020 Toyota Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, power windows, trip computer, electronic stability control, fog lights, security system, remote keyless entry, brake assist, panic alarm, tachometer, overhead console, front reading lamps, power driver's seat, front bucket seats, tilt steering wheel, dynamic cruise control. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.